Hi, it's Miss Humes. I just wanted to record a quick video to say hello and to say thank you for sharing your Get to Know You thing with me. And I wanted to show you how you can upload it on Canvas. So I'm going to grade everything in Canvas where you saw the assignment. And so if you put it in there, it will get graded faster. So I want you to go to this page where you saw everything and go down to the assignment. So this is where you see your assignment, and if you hit this blue Submit Assignment, then you can go to Google Drive, and then that what you sent to me, you can do Select File and choose it in your Google Drive, okay? Once you choose it, oh, here it is, because you shared it with me, you'll hit Add, Attach, and hopefully yours will work. I think mine doesn't because you own that thing. Okay, so if you could do that, that would be amazing. Let me know if you need any other help.